Good morning and a happy day to you all children, and let's start our regular classes. And this is our English subject, and we are going to learn a new poem, and this poem is about the wind. Okay, so you all know what is wind, and this poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, his name is Robert Louis Stevenson. He is the author of this poem, and he was born on November 13th, 1850 in Scotland, and he died on 3rd December 1894. He was a Scottish man. He is a great novelist and a traveler. And this is a short information about the author. He had written many novels, and one among those is The Wind. Okay, and here let me ask, before we go to the poem, I just want you all to ask a few questions. Like, do you think the wind is calm? What do you mean by calm? Romba amaidiya. Do you think the wind is calm? And is the wind naughty sometimes? Naughty, you know? Can you hear the wind? Does the wind get angry? So these are the questions. I just want you to think about it. Do you think the wind is calm? And is the wind naughty? Can you hear the wind? Does the wind get angry? So many of the time we have felt the wind. We can feel it, isn't it? But we cannot see the wind. And here the I means here it is about the poet, and he had observed many various performance that the wind has made. Like, it has many actions, isn't it? It does many things. Like when we fly this kite, you all know what is kite. Pattam vidrappo, we can feel the air. It makes the kite to go up, fly in the sky. And then can you see the trees waving and the grasses moving this side and that side? And also formally the clothes, they move. It is all because of the wind. We all have seen the actions of what the wind is doing, but we have not seen it. We have felt it. Okay, like something, if something is moving on, we say, okay, it is kaathu adikidhu adnala aseyudu. So like that, we have not seen the wind, but we have felt what the wind is about. Here the poet, he's trying something to tell us about the wind, and he's very happy about this wind. He's not sad, or he's not angry with the wind. He's very happy, but he has some curiosity. He has a curiosity, and he wants to know how the wind looks like, and how the wind comes and goes, and how it looks like. Like, these are the things that he wants to know about the wind. We have 3 stanzas here. First I'll read. I saw you toss the kites on sky and blow the birds about the sky. And all around I heard you pass like ladies' skirts across. O wind, a blowing all day long. O wind that sings so loud a song. And here the poet says, I have seen you flying the kites on high. It is all because of the wind. And also the birds fly high like a sky. They fly very high. And also I can hear you. You're passing from one place to another. You pass on. And also even the ladies' skirts. Even when we walk on the road, or when we stand somewhere, when the wind blows very heavily, our dresses will get hung up, isn't it? It blows on. It moves on. So I have seen all those. Oh wind, blowing all day. You blow all day long. I have not seen you, and that sings so loud a song. And when you move also, I can hear your sound, and it's like a song to me. He says that. So in the second stanza, I saw the different things you do. What are the different things that the wind do? So we all have come across the wind. So naturally, a few weeks back, we heard about the Nivir storm, isn't it? It is also a wind, and it was severe. So we heard it. So I saw different things you do, but always you yourself hidden. We have not seen it, isn't it? Only thing we have felt it. So he says, the poet says, you do everything, but you are hiding yourself. I felt you push. I heard you call. I have felt you push. Have you observe the wind pushing you. So like that, he says, I have heard your push. I have felt your push. I heard you call. I could not see yourself at all. I have felt everything. You have pushed me and I have heard your voice like a song and everything. But yet I have not seen it. Oh wind, blowing all day long. You blow and you blow all the day long. Oh wind that sings so loud a song. Sometimes we can hear the wind sound. This is like moves and we get scared of it. So he says, you do everything and you are hiding yourself, but you do everything. I have felt it. The last stanza, oh you that are so strong and cold. You are very strong and cold. We can feel the breeze. When you go to the beach, you can feel the breeze, cold wind there. Oh blower, are you young or old? He's asking, the poet is asking the wind, are you young or old? Are you a beast of field and trees? Beast na? Like when the wind blows, all the grasses and the fields and the trees, they all move. Sometimes they fall and they die. So, oh wind, or just a strong child than me. Stronger, like that the poet is asking, oh wind, blowing all day long. Oh wind, that sings so loud a song. He is very happy. Actually, he was not worried and he was not sad about telling about the wind. He just wanted to describe what the wind is all about. So children, I just want you all to go through, read the poem and enjoy the poem. And after reading it, I just want you to find out, we have few rhyming words you all know. They have different meaning, but the words and when we speak out, when we tell about, when we say it, the words are different, but it gives the same sound. So that is called a rhyming word. We've got few rhyming words in this stanza. I want you all to find out and write it in your rough note. And let's see, and also complete your classwork. Thank you, children.